At the 17th International Defense Industry Fair, IDEF 2025, a significant milestone was reached as the Presidency of Defense Industries, SSB, partnered with Turkish Aerospace Industries, TUSA, to finalize a production agreement for 57 additional T625 Gökbey multipurpose helicopters. These aircraft will be powered by domestically produced TEI, TS1400 turboshaft engines from TUSA Engine Industries, TEI, with deliveries anticipated to commence in 2028. This deal aligns with Turkey's strategic vision to minimize reliance on foreign suppliers and bolster the use of homegrown technologies in its aviation sector. The Gökbey program originated in 2010 and officially launched under the Turkish Light Class Utility Helicopter (TLUH) initiative in 2013. Designed as a versatile 6-ton class helicopter, the T625 was built to meet both military and civilian requirements across challenging environments such as high altitudes, harsh temperatures, and night operations. The helicopter's inaugural flight took place on September 6, 2018, with the first unit handed over to Turkish Armed Forces on October 29, 2024. Domestic companies contributed major components, including Alp Aviation, which developed landing gear and dynamic parts, while Spain's SESA supplied hydraulic systems. Initially tested with Foreign-Tech CTS 800-4A engines, the integration of the Indigenous TEI, TS1400 began in 2023, marking a new phase for serial production under the latest contract. The TEI, TS1400 engine debuted officially on December 11, 2020, following the turboshaft engine development project initiated in 2017. This engine was designed to enhance Turkey's self-sufficiency in rotorcraft propulsion and offers 1,400 shaft horsepower at takeoff, increasing to 1,660 shop during critical one-engine-out situations. Featuring a state-of-the-art full-authority digital engine control, FADEC, the engine performs reliably up to 20,000 feet and operates at a maximum output shaft speed of 23,000 rpm. The development process included rigorous certification to DO 178C and DO 254 DLA standards and extensive testing, including cold weather trials in Kiruna, Sweden, where it endured temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius. The T625 Gökbey itself is a robust platform with a maximum takeoff weight of 6,050 kilograms. It accommodates up to 12 passengers alongside a 2-person crew, can reach speeds of 306 km per hour, and has an operational range exceeding 700 km with standard fuel, extendable to nearly 950 km using auxiliary tanks. Flight endurance surpasses 3.8 hours, and can extend beyond 5 hours when equipped with external fuel tanks. A 1.1 cubic meter cargo bay and retractable landing gear enhance its utility and aerodynamic performance. The Turkish Directorate General of Civil Aviation granted the helicopter its Production Organization Approval, POA, at the end of 2024, enabling commercial as well as governmental and military applications. Aselsan supplies the avionics suite, which includes a sophisticated glass cockpit outfitted with its modular avionics touchscreen environment, MATE. This setup features multiple integrated mission displays and touchscreen data entry panels, allowing for single-pilot operations under both IFR and VFR conditions, including night and known icing environments. The avionics also meet international standards such as those mandated by EASA, with systems supporting navigation, electronic warfare, and terrain awareness. Aselsan's contribution encompasses 34 avionics subsystems seamlessly integrated into the platform. By mid-2025, 20 Gökbey helicopters were scheduled for delivery to various branches of the Turkish security forces by late 2026, distributed among the Land Forces, Air Force, Gendarmerie, Coast Guard, and General Directorate of Security. Additionally, 3 air ambulance versions are earmarked for the Ministry of Health. Within the new contract, 6 helicopters will be dedicated to the Coast Guard. TUSA plans to scale up production to 4 helicopters monthly and aims to export up to 400 units by 2026. The design emphasizes ease of maintenance and operational availability, supported by comprehensive logistics planning from TUSA. The T625's international debut occurred during Technofest 2025 in northern Cyprus, following demanding cold weather testing in Sweden earlier that year. Its design includes a 5-blade main rotor and a 4-blade tail rotor equipped with elastomeric bearings to reduce vibration. The 3-stage main gearbox is engineered to continue functioning for 30 minutes after losing lubrication. Certification and design processes comply with both Turkish and global aerospace standards, reflecting Turkey's broader ambition to expand its indigenous rotorcraft production, building on projects such as the T129 ATAK and AW139 fuselage manufacture. This latest contract solidifies the T625 Gökbey as a key element in Turkey's drive to achieve aviation autonomy and strengthen its defense and civil aviation capabilities with domestically engineered technology.